Hi there! If you're looking for a simple step-by-step plan to help you eat healthier and make lasting changes, you're in the right place. My name is Smita Dhelia, and in this video, I'll share a simple 5-step plan that will help you eat healthier and make lasting changes without feeling overwhelmed. Step 5 is my favorite, so make sure you stick around for that. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with one small, healthier swap. It's easy to think that you need to change everything you eat overnight, and that's where it gets overwhelming. Instead, think of starting with one small, healthier swap. Maybe that late afternoon snack of chips and or cookies can be switched for a healthier snack, possibly even with a smaller serving of the chips or cookies, or that can of soda can be switched for a bottle of sparkling water or even for a smaller can of soda. So I generally crave a salty snack around 4 to 5 p.m. And one of my go-to snacks, which I have 2 to 3 times a week, is I'll take a bowl of classic popcorn, the store-bought kinds, which is just popcorn kernels made with a little bit of oil and some salt with some dry roasted, lightly salted peanuts. And then I'll add a handful of potato chips or tortillas or pitas, something like crunchy and yummy. So what that snack does for me is the popcorn and the peanuts really do fill me up, but those handful of chips or pita, they really satiate my craving for something crunchy and salty and yummy. And so I feel like that works out well. I'm eating healthier without feeling deprived. Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite late afternoon snack? It could be something indulgent, something healthy, or something in between. As you get comfortable with the first week and it becomes part of your routine, think of adding the next small change. And as that becomes part of your routine, think of adding the next one. The small changes you make add up over time and make healthy eating easier and sustainable. Step 2. Tune into your hunger. Eat only when you are hungry and not because you're bored, stressed, someone else is eating, you're watching TV, or your favorite food is looking you in the eyes and calling out to you. I used to be in the habit of eating chips while watching TV and eating chocolates when I was stressed. When I decided to break the habit of eating chips while watching TV, I first transitioned to popcorn and nuts, which are healthier, and eventually I moved to asking myself, am I really hungry? So, whenever you're reaching out for some food, I suggest you ask yourself, am I really hungry? And eat only if the answer is yes. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you so much. Step 3. Focus on progress, not perfection. Don't stress about being perfect with your eating habits. Instead, focus on the improvements you're making. If easier, start with the healthier swap 3 to 5 times a week, and soon you will see it sneaking in to other days of the week as well. When I am working on a change, I typically start with applying 5 days a week because I feel when I have 2 break days built into the plan, it makes the transition easier without making me feel deprived. Also, tuning into your hunger takes a lot of time and practice. So if you catch yourself going back to your old habits, just remind yourself of the change you're working on, hit reset, and move forward. Step 4. Plan ahead. A little planning goes a long way in making healthier choices, whether you're cooking at home, ordering in, or eating out. Normally, when we think of planning ahead in terms of meals, we think of batch cooking and meal prep, which are all really important, but it also helps if we put in a little effort for the meals we are planning to order in or eat out, because what that does is it gives us a chance to plan ahead and balance our indulgences with healthier choices or make healthier choices if we eat out or order in frequently. I love checking the menu of a place I'm planning to eat at so that I can balance indulgences with healthier choices. It can look like a Mexican tortilla salad with a slice of carrot cake for the dessert. Typically, I would share the slice of carrot cake with my daughter and my husband. 2 to 3 Fridays a month is pizza night at my place. So what I generally do is not only do we order pizzas with veggie toppings like broccoli, mushroom, olives, jalapenos, but I'll try, not always, but I'll try if I can spin a salad during the warmer months or air fry some veggies during the colder months so that when we start with eating the veggies, we're not going to have as much pizza. So we are balancing our indulgent Friday pizza with a little bit of greens to start with. If ordering in during the week, we try and order a soup, salad, sandwich combination, which it's easier to kind of make healthier choices with that. With a little planning, it is possible to make healthier choices. I would suggest at the end of a day or in the morning, just spend like 5 minutes thinking about what you're planning to eat that day. Because, when we are hungry and we are making last minute choices, we often tend to make choices that don't align with our goals. But with a little bit of thought and planning, we can make healthier choices, whether we are eating at home, ordering in, or eating out. Step 5, and this is my favorite, make room for treats guilt-free in your food plan. There is no need to feel guilty about having treats occasionally. In fact, it is an important part of sustainable healthy eating. And it stops us from binge eating and keeps us on track the rest of the time. The one thing I would say though is eat only the treats you really enjoy, only indulge in treats which you really savor. I would eat chocolate ice cream every time my chocoholic husband or daughter were having it, though I don't really like chocolate ice cream. So now when they're having chocolate ice cream, I either get a small serving of like a pumpkin spice or mocha almond, or I just pass on eating an ice cream. Generally, I factor in I factor in either a small serving of a salty snack or a piece of chocolate uh, every day of the week. And I do have 1 to 2 cheat meals a week. What this does is it kind of keeps me on track the rest of the week. When I'm craving something, I know that I'm either going to eat it for what I call my treat of the day, or I'm going to savor it when I'm having my indulgent meal. Tell me, what's your favorite treat? And I encourage you to factor treats into your food plan so that it avoids binge eating and keeps you on track the rest of the time. In this video, I share 5 proven tips to help you get started with walking or working out. And in this video here, I talk about the importance of taking small steps to make big changes. I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.